Guys, it's Justin. On today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Rock the Bells Fresh Squad doll, and this is Anthony. So you guys will remember Anthony from a few years ago, the original wave of the Fresh Squad. Well, he's been revamped a little bit. He has a whole new body with more articulation, and his facial screening is a little bit different. So the new ones, Khalil and the new version of Anthony, their screening to me looks a little bit more cartoonish rather than the cleaner look that it had on the first wave, but I still like it. And we're definitely going to give some close-ups. So just here's the doll in the box. Simple but beautiful packaging. So this is a collaboration between the Fresh Dolls and Rock the Bells, which is a platform founded by rapper LL Cool J. See a nice write-up about it on the back. And I love the packaging with the graffiti walls and this wonderful outfit. So let's go ahead and get him out the package. So the package comes off very easily. He has just a few stays, and it's not through the clothing, which is something that I like. It's just around the legs, and you can easily just pop them with your finger. You don't need scissors or a cutter, and then just around his wrist. Again, very simple to do with your finger. Does not require scissors or a cutter. And then around his neck. And I can just pop that. But just be careful whatever way you choose to unbox it. Okay, so fresh out the package, can definitely tell the difference between the first wave and this one. It's heavy. This doll has weight to it. It doesn't feel hollow like that first version and that first wave does. You can look at the limbs and the joints, and you can see that the quality is solid and a lot better. The limbs are not flimsy. It can stand up on its own a lot easier. And it can balance better. So the articulation is better. As we saw with the review of Khalil. He does have more mobility in the forearm. The range of motion at the actual shoulder is not really much improved, but I mean, still very well articulated. But this is the increased range. He can do a full split. He can also sit Indian style, yoga style. So the actual articulation definitely much better. I really love his shoes and his outfit. So let's look at the outfit first. So here we see this wonderful shirt. It has old school throwback high top, some graffiti writing on the shirt and the pants. And then on the package itself, we have sneakers. So if I pull out the insert, I can see the shoes. And these shoes are a little bit different from the one Khalil had on. They're just all white. Khalil had purple bottoms. Would have loved it to maybe match with the red bottom or gold or even just a repeat of the purple. But hey, these fresh white sneakers, no pun intended, are cool. So my overall thought about Anthony, he's $12.97. He's well worth the money for an articulated black male doll. This is very rare to still have, which is sad. Other brands have tried to make dolls for the mass production that are articulated and brown, but they don't really sell them that often. So that's one thing that I appreciate about the Fresh movement. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Go support this doll. You can find them on Walmart. I haven't seen them on Walmart.com or the app yet, but definitely check them out in your local stores. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye, guys.